Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up alerts in Thinkorswim. In this walkthrough, we'll create a simple, reliable alert so you can be notified when price reaches a level you care about. Alerts are great for staying informed without keeping your eyes glued to the screen. Start by opening the Thinkorswim app. Make sure you're logged in and that your watch list and charts have loaded. If you use multiple workspaces, switch to the one where you normally analyze price action so everything looks familiar. Next, go to the chart. Open the chart for the symbol you want to monitor and choose a time frame that matches your trading plan. For example, if you care about a breakout during the day, the intraday chart will make it easy to pinpoint the exact price level. If it's a longer-term signal, a daily or weekly chart might be better. On the chart, move your cursor to the price level you want to track. Right-click directly on that level to bring up the context menu, then select Create Alert. This connects the alert to the precise point you clicked, which helps avoid small entry errors. In the alert dialog, choose Single. A single alert is the straightforward choice for most use cases because it triggers based on price reaching or crossing a level you define, without involving more complex conditions. Now follow the on-screen prompts to configure the alert. You'll typically specify the trigger condition, such as at or above, at or below, or crossing. Confirm the exact price. You can type a number for precision or adjust it slightly so the alert activates where it's most meaningful to you. Review the expiration setting if one is offered. Choose whether the alert stays active until canceled or expires at a certain time. Set how often it can trigger, like once or every time the condition is met. If you can customize the message, add a short note so you remember why you set it. Also confirm your delivery preferences, such as platform pop-up or mobile notification, so you actually see it when it fires. When everything looks right, click Create. Your alert is now active and tied to the chart level you selected. You should see a small marker on the chart, and the alert will be ready to notify you as soon as the condition is met. That's all it takes. By opening the app, heading to the chart, right-clicking to create the alert, selecting Single, following the on-screen setup, and clicking Create. You've set up a clear, actionable alert in Thinkorswim.